Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your hair color using CapCut with body effect, the new body effect in CapCut. Alright, so tap on new project, select your video you like to edit, and I'm going to open my project, and you can see the original this original hair like this. And then go to effect, select effect, and select body effect, and here's the hair color changer. You can add and adjust the color for the color you like. Alright, check mark, and yes, and add hair color changer effect again and change for the color. Click check mark, add more, change for the color, check mark, and so on until the end of the video. Okay, you can see for the final result like this. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.